Okay. Uh, Good afternoon, gentlemen. Today we will
Yes.
discuss how to create the profiles and what is profile. We will discuss that one.
Okay.
And before the topics handed out in the
Yes. Okay.
before
Okay. Tally distance will.
what? Gentlemen, your voice is not audible to me.
Oh, okay.
Hello?
Now it is audible.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay. Actually, there is a thunderstorm in our location. That's why maybe the network problem or issues may
Okay, okay.
appear.
And before section, any doubts in that?
No, 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 no doubts.
Yeah. Okay. Today we will discuss profiles. What is profiles and what we'll do in profiles, and that we will see today.
Okay.
And before we are going to that profiles,
Mhm.
profile is a collection of settings and permissions. And here we are making that the profile, it will be given to that what are that objects you are created, what are that fields you are created, and
Mm.
what are the page layout you are given, and what are that uh, what are that some tab settings you are given, and
Mm.
everything it will be involved to that profiles. In that profiles, if your go means in that we are settings to that what type of settings you want, what are the type of permissions you want to give that objects, and everything it will be showing in that profiles here.
Okay.
And see, if you're the whenever user was created means it is the user, it is a end users who are using that, who are logging to the applications here. And if you are assigned to that users means must and should we have to assign the profiles and roles and license. And license it will be coming to the company they are buying to the, for example, say Salesforce license providers are there are different types of license providers is there. One is
Mm.
Salesforce CRMs, and one is Microsoft CRM, SAP CRM, and SAP CRM, Sugar CRM. These are all the peoples are they are providing that Salesforce CRM, Salesforce they are providing there. There it will
Mm.
be providing for applications, and that are all the license we are using now present, sir. Now we are in Salesforce CRM. We are using Salesforce. We are using the license, and that license we are using for that, that is that is the license for this one. And we are making for the profiles and roles. See, for examples, if we take the example of profiles, it will be the what, see, the profile will specify what user can do, what user can perform within that organizations. See, whenever you can create that user means at that time you are assigning that profile you are assigning, and user you are assigning, and role also you are assigning. What role you are what role they given to that role, it will be specifying that one. And here the what are the controls we are controlling in profiles means object levels and field levels and record types and page layout, tab settings and apex clause and visual forces, etc. These are all the settings and permissions we are giving to the that profiles. Okay.
Okay.
And here, and you can see it there. See, they have the different types of
Standard profile.
profiles is there. In that, one is standard profiles and one is custom profiles. See, in standard profiles, it is already created by the Salesforce.com. And in that standard profiles, we are using the system administrator, standard users, read only, marketing user. These are all the standard here profiles. We are using that one.
Mm.
In custom profiles means that we are creating in Salesforce.com. That is called custom profiles. In that
Mm.
custom profiles we can make changes also, it will be possible. In standard profiles also we can modify, but some extents only we can modify. We cannot modify all changes, it will be not possible in standard profiles. Only in custom profiles you can make it all changes, it will be possible in custom profiles. Okay. And you can make it permission settings, and anything you can make to changes also, it will be possible in custom profiles. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and these that note points you can keep in mind. It is always recommended to have your own custom profile by cloning an existing one to be assigned to the users. See, whenever you can use that any profiles you are assigning means that time you can use only custom profiles only you can use it. That is the meaning for these lines and to be assigned to the users. See the whenever
Uh,
if you are going, see the you are a system administrators. For example, if you are working in one company system administrator, your some companies yeah, the some employees work came for you in your company. That time you can make it for that you want to create that person's user id and what are the role they given, that roles you are assigning for that persons. And profiles also the which profile it will be specified, and see the which team you are putting and which projects you are assigning that one and everything. That person's it will be profile, it will be specifying that one. And there it will be given to that what are the tasks they are given and what are the settings they are done in that that users and everything. We are making the permission for that profiles. Okay,
yes, okay.
understand or not?
Yes, yes, understand.
Yeah, see we go to that fractal means that time you can understand deeply, you can understand. Okay, and we cannot remove the standard profiles. See here we cannot remove the standard profiles in that we are using that what are that standard profiles we are using, that we cannot remove the in Salesforce organizations we cannot remove. Why means it is a standard objects, we cannot remove that one. But we can remove the custom profiles. If for examples if you are created some custom profiles you are created in that company your work that I want to delete also, it will be possible in custom profiles only. And if it is no longer need also, these profiles is not needed for that longer needed means at that time you can make it to delete also, it will be possible in custom profiles. Okay,
I have a doubt on regarding the standard profile. Like if I changes any standard element, like if I take any standard object or and then there is some predefined classifications are there. So if I changed anything, so it will be reflect to the other one who use this standard profile.
no no no, not possible.
Okay, it will
No
be
changes,
only.
no
on-
changes it will be not happens in the standard you see for examples if you are using the profile is a system administrator you are using.
Okay,
In that they already see that is the standard objects we are using, and that you can make you can changes, it will be possible in some extents only you can make it there.
okay, it only visible to me what I changes in my profile.
Yes, yes. But
Okay,
if you are created that custom profiles, you are created. See, if you are in your company, you are working, but you are assigned to for the task for everyone create that user and everyone assign the roles and profiles you can assign, and you can give the user
oh,
ID and password you can create, and you can give that person he give the task for you.
okay,
That task you are making, see the you are making that what are that user you are creating for that person's names, you are creating that user id, and after you are creating that passwords you are creating, and you are assigning the what role they assign for in resume, so that you are mentioning, and you are giving to that which projects see for example if you are working the company means that is company, it will be the license company, and which license they take us, and that license only you can make it to the license you assign there. Okay,
okay, okay.
and their
Once another.
what profiles they are given, that profiles you can make it here, and that profiles you can assign the team, it will be working in that profiles only they will be working that one.
Okay,
And wait, I will show that one. Mm, just a minute, I'm logging in. You can log in your account.
okay.
I'm logging my account. It. Are you done the task,
Uh,
Ritima?
yes, yes.
Yeah. My screen is visible.
Yes.
Yeah. And now I'm going to that user.
Sir.
See, see, before we are going to that create new user you want to create means at that time you're going to assign which are the license, which are that profile we are create we want that profiles you can create it first. And first, see, I am using this one. I am using and the system administrator. See, I have that standard profiles also have in that. This one's Vijay Kumar Murli 5 at Gmail also is there. And one more, the system admin Vijay Kumar Murli 5 at Gmail Playful Shark 61dkf7.com also is there. But
Hmm.
these used for the custom objects I created. And if I select the system administrator means that time it will be showing that profiles. In that there will be settings. What are that objects they created? That objects it will be in that profiles it will be showing that one. And you can here you can see that the page layout. So if you want to any changes, if it is possible means, and you can change here also it will be possible. These are page layouts we are making changes also it will be possible here. And one more, these that field level securities here also you can view. And see that I'm going to that view options, and here you can see the if you want to edit also you can edit. You can only you can make it only read access means, and you can make it read access. And see there you are giving that permissions which, see here, only for when we use this field level security means, for example, so one field you treat only for read access means that time you can give that only that read access only you can give it. And one field I want to edit access also. For example, some fields you are entering some values, it will be must and should you want to enter, that time you can make it edit access means, and that time you can change that also it will be possible in that field of level securities also. Okay.
Okay.
And here if you are making for that, if you are not selected for that account number means, only it will be read access it will be not showing, and edit access also it's not showing that one. Only it will be showing for that blank space it will be showing, and we cannot make it changes also it will be not possible after. If you created the record after it will be not possible. If you make that read access means that person you can it able to read that read the access, the account number also, the what are the you are given that also you can read. And you can
Oh,
make changes if it is there means you can change also it will be possible in that fields. Okay.
okay.
These that field level securities we are running in that profiles. Now we are going to that object level settings and page layouts that we will see. And go to that back. And how to create profiles and how to create user also I will tell the multiple users, how to create multiple user also I will tell, no problem. Yeah, and you can see that these are profile page layouts. In page layout also you can, if you want to make any changes also it will be possible here. And here
Okay.
also we are making the settings here. And see these are standard objects layouts. In page layout, these are all the standard objects layouts. These are all. And if you are the when you use it, that custom objects, if you are created any custom objects you are created means that it will be showing the custom objects layouts. These are all the custom objects created. This we created this one, and these already they created the system administrator. They created in that they you can only you can see and you can visible only there. But we cannot changes. We cannot make more. modify all changes, it will be not possible in standard objects. We can make it custom objects, we can make it all changes, it will be possible in that. Okay.
Okay.
And come down. And this one field level securities is okay for you?
Yes.
Yeah. And one more thing, here custom app settings. For examples, if you are created some app you are created, that if it is visuals means at that time it will be showing that showing in that app launcher, it will be showing. If you are such SIDT, you are such means that time it will be showing that one. If you
Okay.
are not
Custom
selected
app.
means that time it will be not showing that one.
Okay.
And these the field level securities and object custom app settings. And one more, these the tab settings, it will be if you want to go to the edit axis. Just a minute. Now I'm going to that edit axis and remaining fields. What are the profile controllers is there, that fields I will show. And here you can see that these are all the custom apps settings. In that we are making the which tab I want to show means, see this one, if it is the blue, if it is checkbox is true means, the if checkbox is selected means that it is visible to that, there it will be visibling. And the app launcher you search mode, that there it will be visibling. And if you are not selected means it will be not showing in that.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And these are tab settings. In tab settings, we are created that objects were created. In that objects, I want to show for that particular app particular app you are adding the objects you are adding. The tabs I want to show means you can select that off, on you can select it. That time it will be showing in the tab, it will be showing. But if you are selected that off, you are selected means there it will be not showing. But app launcher, if you are searching means that time it will be showing that one. And if you
Okay.
search it for the tab hidden means, and in that app also it will be not showing the tab, and in that app launcher also it will be not showing. If you search also it will be not getting that one. Okay.
Mm.
This like we are making the standard tab settings we are making here. And come down. And these that standard object permissions. Here you see, if you are maybe given that edit access we are given that time, if you want to see the I'm telling that standard object
Set object
permissions,
permission. Okay.
where we are making, see here we're making for the read axis and create and edit access, edit and delete and view all and modify all, we are given all permissions we are given here.
Mm.
Okay. And now if you want to make it some changes in that standard objects, we cannot make changes also. See, these are the reasons. In standard objects, we cannot make any changes also. It will be not possible here.
Okay.
But in custom objects, you can see here, these are custom objects, notebooks and account, and in that you can make changes also. It will be possible. Just a minute. I
Okay.
will edit. I want to edit. These standard profiles, no, that's why it will be I selected system administrator, I selected, no, that's why
Yes.
we not supporting for the custom objects also. And I'm
Okay.
I created the custom profiles, I created, no, that if you select means that time it will be changes, it will be happen that one. Wait,
Okay. Okay.
go to that user. Yeah, now you can see it. I created student profile, I created that one.
Yes.
If I click that one means I'm giving the edit axis, and here it will be showing the objects. The what are the objects you have created, what are the permission you require, that permissions it will be showing. And here you can see that. And here you can see that. What are the
Okay.
custom standard objects also, you can make it changes also, it will be possible here. Okay. See,
Okay.
the standard objects also, I'm giving that permissions. See, assets, I'm giving the required all, and if you want to changes also, you can make it here. These that custom profiles I created. No, that profiles you can make it anything. I want to all read access view and delete. I want means that time you can select it. and you can
Okay.
apply it as that is standard objects. And in that custom objects, you can see here, I'm giving account name is that these that custom objects, you can see here, these are custom objects. We are making the changes. See, I'm taking that read the notebook. I'm making the in that notebook objects. I'm making read and create and edit, and you can make it all modify. Also, you can click it, no problem. And in the aisle also, I want read and create and edit. I want that time only it will be the only it will be read and create and edit. These three axes only it will be showing that one. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And you can see there I'm selected there college projects. I selected in that I'm making the read write edit and delete and brief mode file, and this like I'm making the changes I'm making here.
Okay.
And these objects it will be showing all the options. If you're what are that options your permissions you are given, that permission it will be showing that objects. And you can, if you want to changes also it will be possible, you can read also it will be possible, and you can make mode file also it will be possible, you can delete also it will be possible. Here we are giving that permission, that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah,
Mm.
it's like we are creating the permissions we are making in that. And one more thing, and here you can see there the sections settings, section timeout 2 hours of inactively, and section security level logins, and high assurance. If you want to make it high assurance means, and you can make it high
Okay.
assurance. And if you want to see that these section timeouts, see for examples, if you are making any objects, any profiles you are making, that it will be 2 hours of inactively. Only see the 2 hours inactivity I given. If you want to make it 24 hours inactive means it is 24 hours it will be inactive only. And if you make it only 2 hours means it will be only 2 hours only it will be inactive. In remaining time it will be working that one.
Okay.
And here the password policies also. Yeah, here I am making that user and password it will be expiring 90 days. I given that these profiles only 90 days only I given. After 90 days it will be again it will be you can make it create that user and a user password. Okay.
New password. Okay.
Yeah, you can, it will be, see sometimes if it is 90 days is over means that time it will be asking again you can create that new password, we can, yeah, system it will be asking.
Okay.
And see this is enforce password histories. This in that you can make it 180 days also, 1 year, and never expire also you can make it 30 days and 60 days and 90 days and 180 days and 1 year,
Yeah.
and it never expire. And this profile it will be how many days it will be, the plan will be there, that plan you can take it this one.
Mm.
See, for example, so user and the ID you are created, that user profiles you are created, that profiles it will be how many days it will be required and how many days it will be. For example, if you take for that plans, for example, so you could take Airtel plans and Geo plans, it will be
Mhm.
one
It
month
will
and
expire.
6 months and 3 months and 1 year plans and never expire also it will be there. That like
Mm.
same only we are creating that password. These profiles we are creating that password is 90 days I'm created. And you can make it 30 days also you can take it, no problem. 60 days you can take it, 180 days you can take it, 1 year you can take it, and never expire also you can take it. But don't take the never expire, you don't take it. 1 year and 180 days also they are using that one.
Okay.
Yeah. And one more thing, and enforced password history means here we are making that, see the we are created that passwords. If you are entered the three times you are enter, I given that three times I given, and three times I given the wrong means that time it will be my account will be the locked, that one.
Okay.
And see in that we are given the three times only I given. If you want to make it 10 times and one times and two times and three times, and if you want to the how many times you want to remember the passwords, see you are remembering, sometimes you are forgotten the password also. If you are
Mhm.
doing the 10 times means that time you can enter 10 times also it will be getting that one.
Mm.
And if you are not if you are 10 times it will be over means that time it will be locked, it will be over. And after you again you can create that new passwords and reset the password, and again you can create that new password.
Okay.
If you are forgotten means, and 10 times you are given means that time in 10 times you will enter also 10 times if you are sometimes you are entered that 5 times you are entered that wrong passwords, and after you enter that correct password you enter, that time it will be login, no, that one.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's the things we are using only three remember passwords we are using. If you want that the six passwords and five passwords, if you want me, it required means, and you can take it that one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and minimum password length. See, this is the minimum length password length means, and how many characters you are putting that you are creating that password, and how many lengths you want that, how many characters you required, and that if it I given that only 8 length I given. Okay.
Okay.
I want only the 8 length, and you can make it two. If you want the lengthy, you want means passwords, you can make it 12 characters. And you can, if you want any 4 characters means, then you can make it 4 characters of length. Okay.
Okay.
And password complexities requirements. And here, so how you are required for that passwords. If you want only no restrictions, and so no restrictions means in that we can use it the number type, you can use it, and one time you can use it alphabetic, you can use it, and sometimes you can use it some numeric characters you can take it, and alpha characters you can take it. That no restrictions in the for that, in that no restriction if you selected. And if you selected that must include alpha numeric characters means, in that it will be adding the what are that alpha characters also it will be entering, and numeric characters the alphabets and numbers also it will be getting that one.
ఎంత పాపులారిటీ తెచ్చుకున్నారో విలన్ పాత్రకు కూడా అంతే పాపులారిటీ లభించింది. మద్దాలి శివారెడ్డిగా
Please,
భోజపురి నటుడు రవికిషన్ తన నటనతో
Venki,
ఎంతో మంది
Hello.
Venki,
సంపాదించుకున్నారు.
please stop your.
కూతురు ఇషిత సైన్యంలో చేరింది. అతి
Yeah, okay. That like you can create the password here.
Okay.
Okay, and see the in that the different types of is there. If you want that no restriction means, it will be you can use the number type, you can use it alphabetic, you can use it alpha numeric characters. If you want means, you can use numeric characters, and no restrictions if you selected means, and must include alpha numeric characters means, in that you can use alphabetic you are using, and numeric characters
Yes.
you are using in that. And if you selected the must includes alpha numeric and special characters means, in that your alphabet also it will be using, and the number
Mm.
type also we are using, and special characters also we are using in that. Okay.
Okay.
That time you can select that this must include the alpha numeric and special character means, in that the three if you are enter means, at that time it will be taking the password that one. And if you are not given the special character also, it will be not getting that one.
Mm.
Yeah.
That time it will
And
show the error.
yeah. And must include number and uppercase and lowercase letter means, and in that it will be showing that number field also it will be getting, and uppercase means it will be getting that alphabet capital letter it will be getting, and if you give the low letter also, it will be low letter also it will be getting that one.
Okay.
And must include numbers and uppercase and lowercase letters and special characters. In that number also it will be getting, and alphabet capital letter also it will be getting, and lower case letters for small letter also it will be getting, and special characters also it will be getting in that if you select this one.
Okay.
And must include three of the followings: number, uppercase letter, lowercase letters, and special characters. See, in that if you are selected
All
means,
selected.
yeah, all selected this one.
Mm.
Now I selected that must include alpha and numeric characters only. I selected this one. And here the password questions requirement cannot contain passwords. And you can see if you are given that none means, it will be not showing. And if you are given that cannot contain passwords means, and it will be the question it will be not getting that one.
Okay.
And maximum invalid login attempts. I given here, you can see there. Before
Then
I given the three password, remember passwords I given. In that you are created the three password, you have created the three password you enter means, that time it will be logging that one. But here login invalid login attempts. If here I am giving the 10 limits I given. If I
after
log
10
in
limits, it will locked automatically.
yeah, we see 10 limits you are given means 10 time you can log in it. That is invalid login attempts to this one.
Mm.
Maximum.
Mm.
Yeah. Here you can make it see the for example, if you are login 10 10 times your login means 10 times it will be taking that one. if you are entered that wrong password also.
Okay.
And if you are selected that 5, you are selected means it will be up to 5, it will be getting, and after it will be your account will be the locked, that one. Okay.
Okay.
And one more, lockout effective period. See here, the time limit will be there. For example, if you are the login attempts your login, see for example, if you are entered that user ID and password you entered, sometime it will be getting that password also it will be getting. For in your OTP, sometimes some like you are getting that OTP it will be getting. And in that 15 minutes, if you are not login means that time it will be that after you will be getting that lockout period it is. And I'm giving that 15 minutes I given. After 15 minutes, it will be lock out that one. Within
Okay.
15 minutes, you can make it that that user also you can create it that one. User you are created, in password you can create it.
Okay.
Okay. And obscure secret answer for password resets. And here 30 minutes also is there, and if for 60 minutes also you can make it lockout effective period, you can make it 30 minutes also you can make it, and 60 minutes also you can make it. When we
Hmm.
use this 15 minutes and 30 minutes and 60 minutes means the person it is able to log in, now currently he is login means that time you can use it 15 minutes. And the person if you are getting the late means that time you can make it a little bit, the half an hour it will be getting means in that time you can take the 30 minutes you can take it. And the person if you are making for that 60 minutes requirements, and you can make it 60 minutes also you can make it.
Okay.
Okay. And upshoot secret answer for password resets. And if you select this one means, and after if any the login times 10 times it's completed means, and after it will be a password reset means, and after you can create new password you can create it if you select means. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
And require minimum 1 day password lifetime. See, if you are entered the password means that it will be working 1 day, it will be working the lifetime of that one password.
After 1 day, we have to change the password.
No, 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 no. It will be not changing, but it will be the minimum. See, for example, if you are logging that one,
Hmm.
uh,
It will.
uh,
So, acha, after 1 day, I can change it. But
yes,
before 1 day, I cannot change it.
yes.
Okay.
In minimum 1 day, you can make it password that one.
Okay. Okay.
That lifetime there, that is that one. Don't immediately expire links in forgot password emails. And if you selected this one means it will be activating this one. The don't immediately expire links and in forgot emails, that it will be showing that one. And hello reset password link in forgot password email to be used more than once. The link stay active until the user confirm the password reset request. These
Okay.
the things. Okay.
Okay.
This like we are creating that profile first, and after we are making the user you are creating that one. Okay.
Okay.
Before we are creating that any user means at that time what profile we specify that person means you can know if you know means at that time you are assigning that profiles that person. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we are creating that custom profiles we are creating. Can you share your screen?
Yes.
If you are practical way, if you are practice means that time you are understand that one. Now
Yes. Yes.
you are the theory part I am telling, no, that time you are understanding little bit, you are I am telling 100% also you are understand only 60-70% only you are understand.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Go to that, first go to that user.
Yes.
Before we are going to that user, first we can go to that profile.
Okay. That users. Okay.
Profile. Go to search profile.
This.
Yeah, select it. Yeah, go to that new profile.
New profile.
And existing
And
profile. Go to that exist. Yeah. Select Salesforce. Salesforce standard user.
and that.
Standard user.
Okay. This
Yeah.
one.
Yes. And
Profile name.
profile name, make it college profile. You can make it college.
College profile. College profile. Is it okay?
Yeah, okay. Save it now. Now we are creating for that college profile we created. In that we are creating, see now the profile was created for that one, college. Now you can
College.
go to that role, go to that role,
Go to role.
role, left side, left side.
Okay, left side roles. Okay.
Go to the territory based samples. And here you can understand, before we are going to the roles, these are step by step. The executive staffs and the Western sales directors, Eastern sales directors, and international sales director, and Western sales reps, and Eastern sales reps, and international sales reps. This like the person, the level of visibility it will be there. See these one user and these one user, this one users and this one user. Okay.
This will be the team leader.
Yeah. See, these are all the persons, but this person will be the CEO of this company.
Hmm.
This company, these are all the employees. They
Yes.
have this these six peoples. It will have the one profile. It will be have the what you are created, college profile you are created. No, that is that one profile. These six people same profiles only.
Okay.
And these persons it will be able to see that what are the profiles you are created, that it is only you are given that read access only you are given for that CEO.
Okay.
And these persons make to say changes anything, you can make it changes also, it will be possible for the six persons. Six person can edit and read and delete also, it will be possible in that. But this person we are not making for that read access only, we given the for read access only we are given. That person it will be only he can read only, we can he cannot edit also.
Acha, mane CEO can not edit also.
Yeah. For examples, if you take that, I will tell another examples also. For you one company you are working.
Hmm.
In one company you are working. In that companies, your team leader is there.
Okay.
In the team leader, we have that six people is there.
Hmm.
In that we are assigned that project. We assigned it. Okay.
Okay.
We assign the project for that six peoples. But
Hmm.
team leader it is involving only, but it will be not doing that projects.
Okay.
And in that six
He will
peoples,
only invigilate the whole project and
wait.
project update.
Yes, wait. After you can talk.
Okay.
Yeah. First, the six peoples, they are the same profiles they assign.
Hmm.
The same profiles assigned and they are doing the projects also.
Hmm.
In that projects, they are doing some changes also. It will be some six peoples also. You make the changes also. You can make edit also. You can give that any access. It will be there for the six peoples.
Okay.
But you are assigning to that read access, you are given to that your team leader if you are making the read access for the team leader means the team leader able to see that only what are the record you are created, what are the objects you are created, what
Hmm.
are the fields, only they can read, only they can they can now they didn't change anything here.
Hmm.
Only they can read access only. If you want to any changes, it will be happen. You want to change means, see if you are the team leader, some correction, some error will be some error. It will be find it in that project.
Hmm.
That time the team leader, if you give that edit access means the team leader also can make the changes. Also, it will be possible.
Hmm.
If it is team leader you are not given means that time that six people only can make the changes. It will be possible.
Yes.
That is the thing here. Okay.
Okay.
Now understand the what is profile,
Yes.
what is roles. Role it will be specifies the what level of visibilities. It is a record level securities. Okay,
Okay.
and now, okay, now you can go to that. The role is not mandatory, but we can assign that license and profile. It is mandatory. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Now go to that user. We are creating that new user. We are creating. Multiple users we are creating for that college profile. Go to the new user, new user.
Okay. Create new user. No.
Yeah,
Okay. New.
there.
Use-
Yes, select.
Okay. First I create new profile, then new users.
Yeah.
Okay.
Create it. A new user you can create. Give the names.
What will be the name? Should I
Give
give?
Murli, you can give it. Murli.
Okay.
This company, I will tell the MURALI.
Acha.
MURALI.
Okay.
Yeah. And last name, make it V.
Last name what is?
Vijay you can make.
Vijay. Okay. Vijay.
Yeah. Automatically it will be coming alive. And
Okay.
here the emails. Vijay Kumar Murli.
Acha.
Vijay Kumar Murli 5@gmail.com you can mention it. Correct mail you can mention in that email only.
Okay.
That time only you are getting that messages and everything you are getting that one.
There
5
is
at
a
gmail.com.
5,
5@gmail.com. At
5, 8.
5 at
At the rate. Okay.
the rate gmail.com.
Email. So, okay.
At the rate gmail.
Username. Okay. Nickname.
Yeah.
Right.
Title you can mention it.
Title means in the first name like Mr. Mrs.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Mr. you can make.
Yes.
And company name is that PCS Global.
Yes. Global.
And department is IT.
IT.
And division is Salesforce division.
Salesforce.
And go to the role.
Not specifying.
Leave it, no problem.
Okay.
And the user license.
Chatter.
Go to there. Drop down.
Salesforce.
Yeah, Salesforce you can. The license we are taking, that Salesforce we are taking. Profile.
Customer support profile.
College profile. Custom profile we have created, no?
Okay. College profile.
See, the user license is Salesforce I taken. This is the license Salesforce I taken.
Okay.
The PCS, they are using the Salesforce license they are using. That's why I am taking the Salesforce license I've taken. And profile I created, college profile I created that one. Yeah, leave it. Now go to that role. Go to that role. Go to that role.
Role, okay. Now it's
Yeah, you can make it marketing or something you can make it. Okay, you can make it CEO.
CEO. Okay. From which we can have to select the profiles. Okay.
Yeah, come down.
We are making the team here.
Yes. Come down.
Okay.
And email encode, give that call center phone number extensions if you want to mix.
Okay.
Not requirements, leave it, no problem.
Okay.
And here we are giving that mail address and everything we are giving here.
Okay. If anyone contact, then they will come here and take the note of it. Okay.
Yes. That is that personal details we are taking in user ID. Come now, you can save it. Save and new.
Okay.
And these already they taken. That's why they will be showing. You can make it 5-1. You can make it 5-1 or 5-2. 5-2.
2, 5-2.
Save it.
Oh. Already exists. Username. Okay.
No. You can change only the username only. You can change it. Username you can make it here. 5-2. See that email you can make it 5 only. You can make it.
Okay, 5 only. Okay.
5 only you can. And username only you can do 2-5. You can make it. Username.
Username.
25.
Okay, 2-5.
That not email, that is username I'm telling.
Okay, 2-5.
25. Now you can save it. Yeah, one user you have created for that college profile. Now you can create another. Winky, make it Winky.
Winky.
Winky means you are winking Winky.
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 W.
V.
Acha, Binky.
Winky, Winky.
Yeah. Is it?
No, 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 no.
Uh,
V. 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 V.
Actually, I'm.
See, in your language where V means you are writing the B you are writing.
Yes.
Yeah. V.
V. Okay.
VN. VN.
KY.
KY.
Pinky. Okay.
Ah. In last you can make it Vijay only you can make it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And email you can make it something you can enter it.
Okay. Pinky.
Wink at gmail.com.
Yeah.
And username.
Automatically.
Yeah.
Right there.
Title you can make Mr.
Company
Company you
details,
can make
Google,
Global.
department IT,
Yes.
division,
Division.
Salesforce,
Salesforce. Go to the chapter fields.
yes,
Salesforce. Salesforce platform. Salesforce
yes.
platform. That is limited will be there for Salesforce.
Standard platform user.
Uh, profile select. Profile.
Okay, okay. Standard profile user doing only. Only just Salesforce. But that time it was different in previous case.
But it will be showing the one time only it will be showing. Go to
Okay,
the
okay.
profile once.
Oh, acha, it only reserved for the CEO position.
Yes.
Okay. Then
No. Go to that profile once.
okay. Only one option is there.
Okay.
Standard well.
And you can create the again you can go to that profile.
Okay. This profile.
Leave this tab and again you can go to the new tab.
Okay. New tab.
You can wait. Go to that settings and you can click the setup and right click it and it will be selecting another option.
Okay. App.
In profile also you can click it, no problem. Profile you can right click means it will be going another tab.
Okay.
Profile, go to that profile, right side, left side, sorry. Left side.
Left side. Okay. Profile. Yes.
Right click it. New
New
open.
tab. Okay.
Yes.
New tab is open.
Now you can create new profile.
1 minute. Is it open?
Yeah, okay. Go to that new profile
New profile.
and select that standard. Standard platform user. Yeah, select it.
Profile name. Customer profile. My
Uh,
college profile.
employee profile. You can.
Okay. Employee profile.
The first one also we can make it CEO profile. We can make it means it is easy for you.
Employee profile. Okay. It is clone profile. Okay.
Save.
Save. Okay.
Now you can go to that user.
User.
Go to the new user. New user.
Okay.
Give again.
Vijay. মানে
Winky.
Pinky.
Make it fast. Salesforce user, standard platform, use it. Select employee profile. Okay.
First,
Here you can make it
yes.
CFO. CFO.
Yeah.
Role. See, the role is different and profile is different. Profile, it
Okay.
will be specify the employee, it will be specifying the what's the profile, what are the things they are doing, and everything. The profile it will be specified, but role it will be the position, that person position only.
Designation.
Okay, and this employees for license it will be the Salesforce platform.
Okay.
Now we can save it. Save a new. Wait. The Venki 1 2 already they used, and you can make it 1 2 3 4. Yeah, save it now.
Different name.
Yeah. Now you can now you have created the 2 records you have created, right? Another
Yes.
record you can create it. Rithiman you can write.
Okay. My name.
Yes.
Okay.
Go to the license, standard platform, Salesforce platform. Select employee profile. Role, you can make it anything. Channel, sales, posting, something you can make. Save it now.
Save.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. This like we are creating that profiles and user, we are using that one.
Okay. Okay.
Now you can go to that user. And see that we are created that what are the fields we created, employee profiles and college profiles and the employee, these are all we have created. You can make it the CEO, you can make it that one. CEO profile you can make it. CEO, the college profiles we created, no, that one you can make changes also that one. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, after you can change it. And this like we are creating that profiles, and that profiles it will be specifies the what user can do, what user can perform within the organizations.
Okay. Okay.
And see the once you are created that user means we cannot delete him, only we can deactivate that user.
Okay. From edit
Okay.
option.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you can go to that add.
What? Okay. Okay. From edit option. Yes.
Now see the we are created, these are all that users we have created, and
Okay.
which objects I want to create that password means that objects you can create it.
Okay.
Yeah, but see that the persons, if you are getting that passwords means if you are given that persons you are give that access means that person it will be getting that message, and in that message the in that link they will be created the password it will be creating that person. If you give that user ID,
Okay.
you are given that permission to that set the password means, and they person they can do that one.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and you can go to that add multiple user. You can go there.
Add multiple users. Okay.
And here you can see that the PCs and had roles and had users. we are adding the roles also here. Okay.
Okay.
And here you can see that add multiple users. Number of available Salesforce platform user is 1, and number of available X organis. What see you are created that users you are created no in that free user charter free user license 4,999 users you are created. Salesforce platform
Mm.
user is used 1, and organized proxy users license will be 2 user. And now available for number of available for force.com app subscription license is 2, and number of available work.com only users license 3, and number of available partner apps subscription user license is 2. These are all the limit for that users. If you use that which profile your user means this your user the standard profiles your user know that it will be specifying this only the two limits only that like there will be showing. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
And the number of available identity user license 10, and the number of available charter external user license it will be the 500. This like we are creating that user for that persons. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. These all about me. Tomorrow we will discuss the remaining topics. What are the topics it will be there for that. If you can try it, this one also user also you can try it, and you can try the 3 or 4. You can create that one hospital CEO, and the what are the doctor users and hospital users that you can create it. Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Hospital, under
yeah,
hospital, I have to create the
yes,
doctors and patient.
patients and patients and nurse also you can create a user ID and
Okay.
password.
Okay.
And one more thing, yesterday I given the task. No, can you show that one? You are done or not? I want to see.
Okay.
Winky, are you there? Winky,
Smoothly.
are you practicing or not?
Oh, practice.
Dhritiman, before classes, no doubts in that, no?
No, 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 no doubt.
Yeah.
Uh,
If any doubts also, you can ask me, and I told no that you don't leave it that option also.
okay. Okay. Arey, Okay.
You are given extra number, you are given. Please enter 10 digits.
Yes.
10
If
digits.
I 10 digit, so it will save it.
Yeah, okay. You are given that not equal function you are given, that's why there will be saving.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Okay, Dhritiman. You can
Okay.
carry on, you can practice more than in that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
And